This is going to be the tutorial build video for SATurn Engineering. Our project is Filter. All of this project will already be pre-put together, as taking it apart will cause too many issues with leaking and such. For the first part of the filtration system is the pool filter. This whole portion is printed in 4 parts and uses the pool filter listed in the description. It comes in 4 parts: the top portion, the top mid portion, the mid portion, and the bottom portion. The top portion is not going to get glued at all and will actually just stay where it is, as it's basically just going to clip in there. The top mid portion is going to glue onto the mid portion of the pool filter. The mid portion, top mid portion of the pool filter are going to be different. They may look very similar, but there is some differences. Don't forget that when assembling. Then you get to the bottom portion of the pool filter. That's also just going to glue onto the bottom of the mid portion of the pool filter. You are then going to connect the threaded piping to the system, which is going to thread into the next portion of the system, which is the bacteria killing filter. This filter is going to kill the bacteria. This one's pretty straightforward. Just plug in the pipes where they go, and then plug in the next set of threading so that it can properly fit in with the system. The next portion is going to be the black carbon filter casing. This part is quite literally just put together one part of the black filter casing and then the other part of the black filter casing. It's a snap together, so there's no issue with that. And then that part is going to screw into the white carbon filter, which make sure to use the rubber washers that are included with the product. And yeah, that should be it for assembly. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you are able to replicate what we did.